A couple of things we're going to look at is just brewing it and flavoring it. The brewing is very easy. These are all the things that you would actually need to accomplish the brewing aspect. You basically need tea, SCOBY, sugar, and that's it. So I went ahead and boiled some tea before, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the amount of sugar that's appropriate. Usually use 6 tea bags. Is all you need is 6 tea bags. If you know how to boil tea, super simple. You make a simple sugar. I don't know if you guys are like me. Sometimes you wake up in the middle of the night and you wonder, or you wake up and you think, how can I make my life a little more interesting? And one of the things I think about is like, what flavors of kombucha combos am I going to make in the future? So let me see if I can set up my kitchen a little better. So we're going to go back to the brewing right now, or the putting it all together. So this is the jar. It's a 1-gallon jar, so maybe, I don't know, 6 cups of water, something like that. You have your tea and your sugar. You go ahead and pour that in. You take the SCOBY, and the SCOBY is also called the mother, and the mother is what's been created from kombuchas in previous brews. So you go ahead and put that in. You pour in a little more kombucha. You grab your wooden spoon, stir it gently a couple times. Done. You take a topper on it so that nothing can get in. Rubber band. And then you'd want to take this beautiful new batch of kombucha and put it in a room temperature place. One of the things about kombucha is that if it's warmer temperatures, it brews faster. If it's cooler temperatures, then it takes longer. So during the summer months, it might take 7 days to brew a batch. In the winter months, it might take 10. It just depends on where you store it. So the more exciting part really is the flavoring. And so I've gotten some different things from my yard, and I also have some frozen blueberries. And this is the batch that I've created recently. So I have 4 jars of kombucha, and I have fig and cucumber and strawberry guava, lemon guava, mint. I threw in some Thai basil, and I also have some lemon verbena. So today, I think what sounds good is maybe a cucumber and mint. So that one's done. And then I'm going to go with a lemon guava. And let's throw in some Thai basil. And then I'll go with a fig and lemon verbena and lemon verbena and maybe blueberry. So all I got to do now is I just cap them. So I just put the tops on them. I'm going to store them for like 3 days or so in a cool, dark place. The flavors will seep in. The brew will all come together. It will change colors. Like this is some kombucha that I've made before. This is a cherry kombucha. I'm not sure if it's cherry mint. It might be cherry mint. It's a beautiful red color. And then this is a lemon guava. And basically, after you store it for 2 or 3 days in a cool, dark place, you'd want to strain out whatever you've put in it, whatever like fruit, mint, herbs, whatever you've put in it, and then you can put it in the refrigerator and drink when you're thirsty. Kombucha is delicious. It's fermented. It's sweet. It's tangy. It's fruity. It's everything you could want out of a liquid drink, with the exception of it's maybe not caffeinated. You know, it doesn't have the caffeine, or if some people like their fermented flavors to be a little more potent and adult, then it doesn't do that much either. So, but I do love it. The other thing is, I would say, it's just a suggestion, is that you could, when you drink it, you could add some, bubble water, seltzer water, whatever you want to call it, to the drink to kind of cut down the strength. Because sometimes I think people don't like kombucha because it's just too powerful. But I think if you cut it, you're good. And that's it. Thank you.